Hi everyone, my name's Nicholas. My major is biology, so a lot of my decisions are kind of through the lens of what I've learned in biology and conservation and how that ties us to sustainability. I'll be talking about the decisions I made for climate change and its impact on agriculture. So for this exercise, I decided to basically prepare for climate change now instead of waiting for 5 years. And so I decided to kind of support funding that helps farmers adjust to their planting times. And as far as why I made this choice, it's mainly because climate change is already affecting farmers. And the USDA map that was shown, it was kind of showing us that growing zones have been moving northern over time. So this means that many farmers will need to kind of change when and how they grow their crops because of this climate change. And so I think kind of helping farmers adjust their planting time is the better option there because it gives them the financial support and the weathering tools in order to make the changes happen. Right. This can overall reduce crop loss and make farming easier as the climate changes. And that's just kind of something that we all kind of have to accept and move towards. And I think the textbooks really help support my claim because it talks about how climate change is changing temperatures and its rainfall, and that is very much directly tied to agriculture rainfall, right? It talks about how kind of down on page 173 about how the different rainfalls will affect climate change and how crops will grow over time. And not only that, but also on page 176, the reading explains that sustainable farming means changing farming methods so that agriculture can continue to thrive even if the environment changes. And so that definitely ties back to my decision. But nevertheless, overall, I think it's better to prepare now instead of waiting because planning ahead will help farmers protect their crops and reduce the problems in the future and support long-term sustainability, which is at the end of the day what we need. Thank you for listening. Love you. Good luck.